Hold Ctrl and draw a small circle. Create a copy and place it at some distance. Decrease the size of this circle. Fill color to both objects. Select Blend tool and drag on these objects. Select Ellipse tool, hold Ctrl and draw a circle. Create a copy of this circle. Select one circle and click on Arc. Select Shape tool and drag to the quadrant. Click on Arc. Then press Ctrl-Q to convert to curves. Drag and drop this blend group on the arc with the right click. Click on Option Fit Blend to Path. Select this group and click on Blend along full path. Decrease the No of steps. Increase or decrease as per your object size. Select this group, click on Blend tool, and adjust the spacing as shown here. Right-click, break blend apart, or Ctrl-K to break. Select these objects except the end one. Click on Group. Hold the center of the circle and place it on the top quadrant. Single-click, place the pivot point at the center of circle. Hold Ctrl and rotate to 90. Press right-click to create a copy and Ctrl-R twice to repeat. Delete the circle. Select All, Group, Remove Outline. Single-click, hold Shift and rotate. Press right-click to create a copy. Ctrl-R to repeat. Select All, Group,